Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for all your love and support that you have been giving to my channel, to my previous videos. Those who are new to my channel, I want to tell you that you can go and subscribe to this channel. You can just press the subscribe button on your screen and you'll get notified about every new video that I upload. Basically, I create videos on how I make learning fun and interesting for my 4-year-old. I have been doing this and I have seen tremendous amount of results, and if you want to share, if you want me to share my experiences with you, I am more than happy to do that. So in this video especially, I want to talk to you about how I make a simple worksheet that I use for my 4-year-old look more interesting and engaging and fun for my 4-year-old. Without spending a lot of money. You can do that too at home. Let's see how I do it. So today I have these printouts of the various worksheets. You can easily find them on my Instagram or Facebook account. So what I do here is I just take a printout of these worksheets. These are cut and paste worksheets, and I'll cut them individually, the individual words, and I'll show you more worksheets that I have here. This one is a math worksheet. The previous one was an EVS one for a 4 or 5-year-old. So I'll take a printout of this worksheet and I will laminate it, and I will take separate single printout of these cutouts, and then I'll laminate them as well. I'll show you how. This is a water cycle. I have taken 2 printouts. So one sheet I'll laminate as it is, and the other one I'll cut the various parts like this evaporation, condensation and precipitation bit, and I'll make it like small pieces of laminated pieces of paper, and I'll use it for a cut paste activity. I'll show how. So lamination here is the key. This is one more worksheet of the life shapes. So there are 2 ways to go about it. I can take a printout and laminate it and cut it into small flashcards, or I can make an interactive worksheet like how I have been explaining for the previous ones. So basically I'll take 2 copies of this, and we'll have one as it is. The other one I'll cut into pieces and make it like a cut and paste kind of an activity. I'll show you how. So now all my worksheets are ready, laminated like this. I'll cut them into the desired size and shapes, and then to make it like an interactive activity, I'll put some Velcro. I'll link it below in the description box for those who want to buy it. It's very much available online everywhere. I use these Velcros, the Velcro dots. These are convenient and it makes the whole activity, the pages, adhesive. I'll show you how it looks after I cut it into my desired shape. And so now I have all my activities ready. This parts of identify the parts of the plant, comparing numbers, water cycle. So the child has to match the various words using these cutouts, and these are the small flashcards that I created out of a printout. So the main idea here is to laminate and put Velcro to make things adhesive. And you can have a laminator, buy a laminator, invest on a laminator at home, or you can get these things laminated from outside from any shop or somewhere. So that's it. Now I'll show you how we do these activities with my 4-year-old child. This is your activity of the day, Abir. Are you excited?
Yes.
What is this? Do you know what activity is this?
I know water cycle.
Water cycle. So show me how the water cycle works.
Look, this is the water cycle.
Okay, this is the water cycle.
Let's take it here.
What word is this?
Condensation.
Very good. Condensation. Where does it go? Where does it go? Here, when it forms the cloud. Condensation. Yes.
Condensation.
What?
What's this?
What is this?
This?
This is collection. Yes. The water is collecting here. What is this? Precipitation. Precipitation means the water
Is going down.
coming down. Yes. What is this?
This
Read it.
evaporation.
Evaporation means what? The water.
Water is going up.
Yes, the water is going up, forming the clouds. This process is called condensation, and then the water is coming down.
Like
Precipitation.
it's going like this.
Yes, that's called water cycle. Good job. Give me a high five.
Bang, bang, bang.
So this is your next activity, Abir.
So I know what to do. Look what I do.
So dinosaur's mouth will open at the bigger number. Yes. Show me.
Now this. Is this right? No.
Yes, that's your next activity. It's called the parts of the plant. Can you read and pick and read the words?
Leaf. So it's the leaf.
Where does the leaf go?
Here. This.
See where it goes. Is this the yellow thing? Is this the leaf?
No.
Which is the leaf?
It's
This is the leaf. Put it next to the leaf.
good job.
Good job.
What is the next one? Flower. Show me. Show me. Yes, flower. Where's the flower? Yes. Then what comes next? Stem. Which one is stem? Is this the stem? Is this the stem? These are the roots. Yes. That's a fruit. Okay. And now what is left? Root.
I hope you liked the idea. If you liked it, please do share a thumbs up. And if you want to share your own ideas, then please do write it in the comment section below and share it with other friends as well. And subscribe to my channel so that whenever I upload any new video, you get notified about that. And if you want to have access to the worksheets that I have used in this video, visit my Instagram account called #AppyMommy. You can also go to my Facebook page. It's also called Appy Mommy. You'll get all these worksheets uploaded over there. Just take a printout of it and just get going. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please stay safe, take care, and keep coming back. Bye bye.